Hey Richie, I just wanted to show you some new features of the website. So first we're going to start with your Portfolio Pro. If you click on that, you're going to see all of your skis listed here. We'll go into when to take a look. Obviously, this is your description that you can edit here, and also your ability to edit or delete the photo here. Once you've made the edits you need to make, you'll click Update to save changes. One really cool feature that we added to this is now when you make any updates to the skis that are listed in your Portfolio Pro, it will automatically update on your drop-down menu within the form, which is make it so much easier for you to manage this now. So you don't even have to worry about this. As soon as you make updates to the skis over here, it's going to recognize what category it's in, and it'll just update the title of the ski in the drop-down menu. One other really cool thing is we installed this reorder plugin. So if you click that, now you can just drag and drop wherever you want the skis to go. So feel free to edit or add, and then once you're done, come over here, you can drag and drop the order of the skis exactly the way that you want them. Just make sure once you've done that, you scroll all the way down and click the update button to save your changes on the new order. I went ahead and tested this and it works perfectly. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'm excited that you have this new portfolio to support you through the ski process.